Cool notes. Wait a minute. Do they glow in the dark? What?
So I have to be really careful when I tell you this. But these glowing notes, there's something special going on with them.
Rhythm bags. These are rhythm bags. Rhythm bags are cool. They have the ability to make rhythms. In the bag, you're going to find some notes. You're going to find some sticks. Some sticks are silly, like this one. Take the silly stick, put it to the side. The notes, you're going to take those, and you're going to put those to the side. Now, you have 4 sticks remaining. You're going to put those sticks down like this. And you're going to make them look nice, because we like things that look nice.
With that rhythm bag, you are going to be able to decipher the code. So you need to break the code with the rhythm bag.
I like to eat. I like to eat. I has 1 syllable. Like also has 1 syllable. To has 1 syllable. Eat, 1 syllable. Well, quarter notes, they have 1 sound per beat. So I is a quarter note. Like is another quarter note. To is another quarter note. And then eat is another quarter note. Now, our silly stick. We grab our silly stick. Our silly stick is going to keep the steady beat. We're going to go with the rhythm sound. So, quarter notes, we say ta. I'm going to say ta, 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 ta. I can go faster. Ta, 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 ta. I can go slower. Ta, 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 ta. But what do I like to eat? I like to eat apple pie. And pie. So I is still 1 syllable, so we leave the quarter note. Like is 1 syllable, we leave the quarter note. Apple, that's 2. Quarter note's not going to work for that one. So we got to replace that. And we're going to replace it with 1/8 notes. There we go, that's 2 sounds per beat. Apple. Okay. Pie, that's 1 syllable, so we can leave that quarter note. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Now, I'm going to say I like to eat apple pie, but I'm going to say it in rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. I like apple pie. Apple pie. That's good stuff. I like to eat. Let's go back to I like to eat, because I do like to eat. Yeah, that works. Here's to eat. 1, 2, ready, go. I like to eat. Ta, 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 ta. I like apple pie now. I like apple pie. Apple pie. That's good stuff.